Now that we've recorded, you've watched the video of how to create an employee, now we're going to go see how we create an equipment. So when you click on the equipment, you have equipment listing, the same as employee, pay rate listing, and pay rate assignment. So we're going to go to pay rate listing. Same thing, you're going to have every single equipment and the rental rate, the standby rate, the billable rate, and the billable rental rate and the standby rate for the billable. So you also have the payable rate method, which is hourly or monthly or weekly. So here we can see always the red button is for adding an equipment. So we're going to add equipment and we're going to put the video demo project classification. I'm going to call it uh, camera. So let's say it's an hourly. Let's say it's $10 for payable rate. Standby rate is also $10. The camera mobilization is 0. It's hourly, and then we're going to charge it to our client for $15, $15, 0, 0. And then we click on create, and now the camera has been created under the video demo project. You can see it here. It's specific equipment for that item. Same as the employee listing, you can also clone. Let's say I want to clone a truck or anything. So I have a truck here, Montreal. I can clone it. I can choose the project, video demo project, trucks. I have all the rates, and I create it, and now the truck has been created. So now I have two pieces of equipment created there. As you can see, it takes a few seconds to create a listing here, and you can clone them quickly from project to project. So now we need to go and create an equipment listing. So now we're going to add an equipment. We're gonna, if it's a vendor, that means it's a third party equipment that you're renting, because you need to track the hours that you're billing the client with that. But this time, let's say it's actually our piece of equipment. So equipment number, that one can be programmed automatically. For the sake of this exercise, we're gonna put the number, equipment name camera, equipment description camera, digital, 80 mpxm, model, Canon, or whatever. And you just click on create. And now I have the actual camera, the second item here, that's created. So after we created the equipment listing, which is the equipment, the pay rate listing, now we're going to assign the rate to the equipment. So we go to the video demo project and we show pay rate listing. And as I said, you're going to have the list of equipment that you have. We said that we're going to assign the actual camera as the camera to be to the project. So I click on that and I choose the camera pay rate, and now it's there. One note that you need to understand is, as you can see, you have a stamped date of the rate. Let's say your rate of camera changes after 6 months due to inflation or something. All charges that happens between that stamp date to the new rate will be charged differently than the new rates. So the timestamp is very important for the equipment rates and for the employee rates, because employees can change position and get paid more, and the system has the capabilities to change the rates throughout the lifetime of the project based on the position. So now you've seen how we created the equipment, how we created an equipment pay listing, which is the camera, and how we assign it to each other for the project.